For this video, we will be discussing maintenance and or replacing the cast iron burn pot in your HP42 pellet stove. As always, make sure that you unplug the unit from power before performing any service work. Remove your cast iron burn pot for maintenance purposes, cleaning all of the holes that are around it. If at any time this burn pot starts to turn mahogany color, red, or is cracked, or it's starting to lose its shape, you should replace it. It's also important to note that if you're having ignition problem issues, this round area right here needs to fit around this igniter assembly. So to put that in, you slide it forward, and then this edge right here, there's a little plinth block of metal right on the top. This edge has to be on that side of it. If it's setting on top, it's not seated. Just like that. If you're buying parts, new burn pots, and you get one that is an aftermarket, make sure that this fitment is good, or else your stove is not going to ignite properly. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.